In this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a free invoice template, and it is actually pretty easy and for totally free, of course. So yeah, let's get started. What you want to do is you want to have this website opened up, the canva.com, and once you're here you want to create an account and log in, and you'll end up on this page. And go to the search bar and search for invoice, and yeah, just click on it, and you will end up seeing a lot of templates. But although most of them are free, not all of them are, and I'm going to show you guys how to check if they are free or not. So you just want to click for example this template, and this will immediately open the editor up, and you can change this template however you like. And this one happened to be free, so that's nice. But in order to check if they're not free is, go to a theme you like. So for example, the business invoice, and then just scroll with your mouse over the different templates, and if there is a sort of big free on the bottom right corner of the template, that will mean it is free, of course. But if it's not, let's see if there is an actual paid one right here. Yes, this one is paid. So as you can see, the free won't show up just like here. So you just gotta look out for that. If they're free, just use that one. So yeah, once you're here, you can basically just change everything you want to. So for example, we could change this text, but we can also change the name. So we're gonna name that, for example, how to digital. And we can change our phone number, the address, the website. We can basically change everything. Here we can change the name. So we're going to do that right now as well. Just like this, and the address again. And you can also zoom in a bit to see everything better. You can change the prices up, of course, to, for example, 10. This one to for example 25, and not 125, but you get the point, right? So you can basically change every text and every text, and you can also, if you want to, change the colors up. So for example, this shape right here is purple, but we want to have it our channel's theme, and just click on, for example, this one. Just this one kind of fits our theme more. You can also go to the wheel, sort of color wheel. You can just change this up however you want to. You can even import color codes from your website, for example, so they're exactly the same colors. But I'm just gonna stick with this one, for example, real quick. And yeah, just like for example this one, and change the color up. Go to the text, and for the text it is right here, the color. Just change it up, and like this. I'm just going to change it all to the same color real quick, so it looks nice. And you can actually do it pretty fast, as you can see. So yeah, once you've done all that, this is basically your business card, or your invoice card. And that's all you need to do. And once you're completely done with your invoice card, then click on this download button at the top. And currently the file type is selected on PDF print, and as you can see, it is suggested. So I'd recommend just leaving it on that, but you can also just change it to JPEG or PNG if you really want to. But basically, just click on download, and it says preparing your design, and it has already been downloaded. So we're going to open it up. As you can see, this is the template we have just created, and we can just use this for our stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.